welcome to Lydia's Cooking Lab. Today I'll be sharing a vegan dish that we've been eating over and over during Coptic Lent without being bored. Kids love it. It's my version of Egyptian falafel or tamia. Here I have 2 dry cups of split fava beans that have soaked for 24 hours. I drained them. I have 1 leek, 5 green onions, and a bunch of cilantro. I gave them a rough chop. With the cut veggies, and then I'm going to place them in a bowl. We'll be working in patches. So this is the first patch. I'm going to use my immersion blender to get the consistency I want. This is perfect. Now I'm going to season the patch I'm going to fry with 1 tablespoon of sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and some coriander seeds. And this is what I'm going to be storing in the freezer. And so this is the quantity I produced. Now it's ready to fry. Let's fry the patch we seasoned. We're going to form patties. I like to do a dent in the middle so that it cooks all the way evenly. I fried for about 2 to 3 minutes in avocado oil, and it's ready. I served this protein-rich, fulfilling, yummy goodness with pita bread, tahini sauce, pickles, veggies. You can serve it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Enjoy, and thank you for watching.